Something awesome arrived in the mail today. It's finally here. I'm not sure if I'm ever gonna do these style of videos, to be honest. Right now I'm currently editing, but this thing is finally here. I am super excited for this. I'm honestly not sure if I'm gonna publish this video because right now I'm busy and I don't even have time to fly this thing. But I really do want to share the experience of the unboxing of the DJI Zoom. If this thing could focus. There we go. So, I don't know. I guess this will be like a bonus video if you guys see it online. I don't have a knife to open this thing up. Come on, let's do this as quick as possible. Wait, here. I'm using this gimbal to give us a better angle. Just manually move it. Where would be appropriate? Okay, I think this is a good angle right here. I'm just gonna hand move the gimbal. I hope it doesn't have a seizure. I got two angles. I got a gimbal on this side. Not sure if you can see that. Gimbal right there. And the DJI right here. Let's unbox this bad boy. I ordered this thing since day one. Why am I having such a hard time opening it? There we go. I gotta admit, DJI was definitely a lot quicker, or I'm pretty sure they learned from their mistake, because I remember the first Mavic I ordered in day one as well. Oh man, it took forever for it to get here. There's actually a little sticker right here that says open. Focus camera. Open, see? Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Now, the packaging is a lot different than the previous Mavic, I could say that much. So what, do I stick my finger in this and pull out? It says open, but it doesn't open. Ah, I ripped it off. What the heck? How does this thing open? Oh, this is embarrassing. I opened many different boxes, but oh, okay, so this does slide out. Open this thing up. There we go. All right. So I already messed up. I already broke it. There's our drone. Ooh. The box is completely different than the previous Mavics. Oh, this feels nice. That little bubble, it's definitely a lot bigger, because look at this. If you look at it from the profile, see, get an idea with my finger. There we go. It's perfectly round. Odd, but yeah. If you look closely, it has like a smoke effect, but it's definitely clear. I guess this is to prevent glare from sunlight. Maybe we'll test that in a future video. And the controller itself, boom, it is gray. And now the cables come inside their own separate boxes. It looks like DJI stepped up their game when it comes to quality on their drones, I guess. In here, I don't know. Oh, in here are the blades. You can see that. Manual blades. Yeah, so these are the blades, extra blades. I'm gonna keep these out. You never know when you need them. Actually, no, these are not extra blades. These are blades that I'm actually gonna need. And this is the guide, manual, all that boring stuff. Nobody needs those. And then this, of course, will be the charger for this drone. So yeah, looks like a Lenovo laptop kind of charger now. The pens are definitely different than the previous Mavic. But they still do this, check it. It still comes with a Velcro wrap like the previous Mavic. Move this aside. Sticker tells you about the assembly. It basically just tells you all the assembly. Has a little sticker protecting the screen. Really don't need that. Oh, everything comes up. Ooh, this is actually nice. Actually, at first, when I first saw the photos, I wasn't a huge fan of the gray, but seeing it in person, yeah, it suits it. Antennas, and you just click on. They're actually easier to click on, like to lock down in the past. Controller feels really strong. The little joysticks are already positioned in here, so you just take one out and just screw it in. All right, they're made out of like aluminum, so it's really hard to even damage them. And they're as responsive. They're a little bit taller than the regular DJI it feels like. And of course, you still got your USB port right down here to charge whatever device, or connected that way. But it's still got the cable ribbon right here, like the previous Mavic. Should we assemble this, or should we do it another day? I don't know. The arms fold out, very similar to the previous Mavic. Honestly, it kind of feels more sturdy, and it feels taller on front. I don't know if you can see this, but when it's like this, it feels a little bit taller on the front end. Let me put the blades on. Is there a certain order? There is. I wonder. This one has like the white circle outline. Focus camera. Take my word for it. This one has a circle white line. I'm gonna put it on the non-circle side and see if it allows you. It does not. It locks it out. All right, perfect. So no, it does not let you put the non-circle ring on a circle ring point. So it will lock you out, just like the previous Mavics. Just testing you, DJI. Just testing you. Take this off. Power on and off. Yeah, we already know that. Hold it for a few seconds. And then the sensors are covered with plastic. We have these vents. This is almost like a car. These vents are like something like a NSX or something. What supercars are doing. But it's supposed to, whenever the drone's flying up in high altitude, like all the moist that goes in, this was supposed to better circulate it, prevent the internals to absorb any water. So I think that's what those are there for. And then the gimbal guard. Okay, I see how it goes on. And yeah, that's about it. The gimbal guard is different. If you see this thing, this goes between the camera and that. It rests right here, and you just clamp it on, I guess. I don't know, we're exploring a little bit. All right guys, that was just a quick unboxing. Once again, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna post it, but we'll see. I guess this will be like a bonus video. But enjoy these few minutes or a few seconds of the two comparisons side by side of my DJI Mavic 1 compared to the DJI Mavic Zoom 2 non-pro. Enjoy.
And becoming the best at it and mastering myself and seeing what I have within me. If you decide to drop your buckets where you are and develop your gifts, I grant you, you'll never ever be without. I grant you that your gifts will take you places that will literally amaze you.